Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Marco. Welcome to Wood Fire and Whiskey. Today we're making Scotch eggs because I love Scotch. Scotch, Scotch, Scotch. There it goes, down into my belly. Cheers, let's go. All right, so we got 6 eggs that we're gonna hard boil in this contraption that I got off Amazon. You can do them on your stovetop, however you like, whatever's easiest. We got a pound of ground pork and a pound and a half of ground beef that we got from the Village Butcher in Modesto. If you get a chance to go to the Village Butcher, you gotta try their brisket burn-ins. Absolutely fantastic, I had some this morning. We got a cup of shredded cheese, a cup of almond flour, salt and pepper, some Kinder's wood-fired garlic, a red bell pepper, and an onion. Let's mix this up. All right, so we're gonna sit here and wait for these Scotch eggs to be done, sip a little whiskey. You know, what are you guys doing in quarantine? How are you spending it? Are you cooking something interesting? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you're doing, you know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like these videos. Go ahead and give it a share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you can share it. Okay, so we're gonna taste these Scotch eggs. Remember, we used a pound of ground pork, a pound and a half of ground beef, an onion, red bell pepper, some eggs, some almond flour, some cheese, some salt and pepper, and we seasoned it with Kinder's wood-fired garlic. Let's cut it open and taste it. Now, remember, I'm no chef, just a guy that likes to cook, so let's see. Ooh. That looks delicious. Can't wait to taste it. Wow, that's packed with flavor. Wow. Hey, that Kinder's wood-fired garlic, it's delicious. It's delicious. Let's give it another taste. We gotta make sure it tastes good. Oh man. I highly recommend you make this for the family. We ended up being able to make 7 portions instead of 6. Oh, man, this is good. Hey, I'm gonna get back to eating. Let me know, what are you guys cooking? What do you wanna see me cook next? Someone recommended or suggested that I cook chicken parmesan. Everything I make is low carb and keto friendly. So I'm gonna figure out a recipe for y'all. We'll be back.